friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe, and I'm going to include healthy goji berries. Let's get started. Take half a cup of dried goji berries and put them in a small bowl. Rehydrate the goji berries by soaking them in about 1 cup of room temperature water for about 10 minutes. Drain the goji berries well. Add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl. Half teaspoon of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1½ cups of rolled oats. And whisk these dry ingredients together. In a separate large bowl, put half a cup of softened or room temperature butter, 2/3 of a cup of lightly packed brown sugar. Cream together the butter and the brown sugar. You know the butter and the sugar have creamed properly when you notice that the shade has become slightly lighter and the mixture has become light and fluffy. Add 1 egg, half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, then mix until smooth. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients now. Halfway through the mixing, I switched to a spatula so I don't overmix the cookie dough. Now add the chocolate chips and the rehydrated goji berries, and mix that all together. Why goji berries, you may ask? Goji berries are also known as wolfberries, and they are native to Asia. They are a small, vibrant red fruit that is naturally sweet and has a slight tart aftertaste. Goji berries are often known as superfoods because, amongst other things, they contain fiber, protein, antioxidants, and they are very high in beta-carotene and vitamin C. So therefore, goji berries are a healthy addition to these cookies. With a small 1½ inch ice cream scoop, I scoop out the cookie dough. You should have 24 to 28 cookies. I bake each cookie tray separately in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool for 5 minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!